Zoho Projects tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use this project management software for any businesses. Basically it's not that hard, so let's get started. Here we are on zoho.com in projects area. As you can see, Zoho provides us the opportunity to manage all of our projects in different views and so on. So in order to get started, we need to click on Access Zoho Projects and we'll come to next page. Basically, you'll have to log in or to create an account to come to our dashboard where we can find a lot of different options we can do. So we have a left side menu where we can hide it or we can view. So if we click on home, we'll come to this page here where we can find a lot of stuff. This is basically our dashboard. We have open tasks, close task, open issue, closed issue, open milestones and close milestones. So basically all the information could be found right up here. So we can find our tasks, we can view our issues, we can view our work, and we can overview work items. So from this page here we can interact with every single element, and we can click on view more, for example, to come to some folders we want to interact. Also we have a feed area where we can chat with our team, where we can send the tasks or receive tasks. We have the discuss area, the same for conversations. Reports, where we can find the timeline with our tasks, for example, and everything could be discovered right up here. Also we have the calendar, and on this page here there is the another view of our projects. As you can see, we have the starting date, the date where we need to end, and so on. And also we have projects. So here we have only one project. We can add new project by simply clicking on this orange button. We can add project title, manage owner, template, start date, end date, and here we can add some description. And after that, this project will be successfully created. But as you can see, there are a lot of different properties we can change as for this. So in order to work with tasks, we can go to work overview and go to tasks right up here. So as you can see, tasks are divided into different groups: in review, in progress, on hold, open, to be tested, and delayed. So we can easily switch tasks from one area to the another, or we can also manage them. So if you'll click on this task here, we can find all the information, the status, the description, task information. Also we can find all the information, basically owner, work hours, status, due date, priority, text, reminder. So basically all the stuff you need is displayed right up here. We can also interact. We can rename it, add some other stuff by simply clicking on right up here, and then just rewrite all the information. Moreover, we can switch between different tasks in this in progress column. So as you can see, we have two tasks here, so we can easily switch. We can click on this and then just switch to the another one. I think it's pretty cool. Also, we can change the view. As you can see, now we have in Kanban view, we can change it to classic. Looks like this. Also categories and so on. And we can change it to plain view, so we can find the status, owner, project, start date, and the task name. Everyone is you can change it how it's better as for you. As for me, the Kanban is the best. So we can also show different options. We can manage the view. We can add a task prefix, task list. So if you want to delete, for example, the task prefix, to delete S1, T2, let it be like this. We can change the task list. We can manage, do we want to see the project, image preview, or bottom tray. Sometimes it could be easier to don't see them. Also, we can filter our tasks by simply clicking on filter, and here we can find by the title, project, project group, and so on. There are a lot of options. We can easily manage our filter, and this is a way. If you're going to work with issues, we can go right up here, Also, let's change our view to Kanban, and as you can see, we have like some columns here, and we can interact with our tasks by clicking here. So basically, these are the main interface. We can, in the same way, we can manage the milestones and the timesheets. It's easier to interact with like tasks and issues separately. So from this page here, in the right top corner, we can also find some options where we can click on add. We can add project, we can add task name. So basically, if you want to add task, you just simply need to click on it right up here. So let's add a task like subscribe to my channel. So basically, this is the way you can just click on more, but please select a project. So we need to choose this project here, and then just click on task information. We won't edit. So let's click on add, for example. And where was this task successful edit? We can now view it right up here. And as you can see, the status is current open. So let's try to find it on the open, and it should be somewhere here. So I think it should be, we only can view like 5 tasks. So let's delete this one here. So yeah, basically this is a way of how can we add different tasks to our Kanban. We can also try to search for something. We can manage notifications, add a timer, and so on. Basically, these are the main features of Zoho Projects, and it's pretty cool that they provide us a lot of solutions like projects, CRM, show, and so on, and we can easily promote our business with only Zoho products, and I think it's pretty cool. As you can see, we have like free trial. We can easily upgrade now to view the paid plans, and if you're going to speak about their plans, we can find that we have like $4 premium and enterprise, or we can pay like $5 a month and $10 a month if you're going to buy it monthly. So we can find a lot of differences, like in projects, templates, in attached files, storage, and also like subtasks, custom fields, and so on. So if you have any questions about Zoho products, you can easily write them in the comments below. And that's all for this video. I hope everything was clear and you understood everything. So I wish you a very good day. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I see you in the next videos, guys. Goodbye.